In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use similes, a really effective tool for describing things. So what is a simile? Well, a simile describes something by comparing one thing to another, and it's used to make a description more vivid for the reader. You can identify similes because they use two key words. They'll either use the word like or as. So let's look at some examples of similes, and they can be used as sentence starters or in a sentence. So a couple of examples I've got as sentence starters are as quick as a flash or as brave as a lion. And you'll notice that there's a comma after my simile if it comes at the start of a sentence. Some other examples are he soared like an eagle or he moved silently like a shadow. And then finally I've got a couple more. The snow was like a blanket. She stood as tall as a mountain. And you can see these similes compare one object to another, and they're really effective at describing and painting a picture for the reader. So here I have an example of similes that have been used in a piece of writing. So we've got it was midnight, and then my simile, it was as cold as the Baltic Sea. Then I've got a sentence starter that begins with a simile, as tall as a skyscraper, comma, the mountains were blanketed with ice cold snow. And you can see how great these similes are at describing the setting. So, I want you to give this a go now. I want you to write a description using this image as inspiration. And I want you to try and include some similes, either as sentence starters or just in a sentence. And again, if your age is 9 to 11 or years 5 and 6, aim to write a page. And if you're years 3 and 4, age 7 to 9, aim to write half a side of A4.